Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect your hosting your domain to Odoo. So it's really quick and easy if you do have the full version of the website, of course. And again, what you will have to do is log into your Odoo and go uh to your website, and then what you will do is you will see the configuration section. So you will just have to click that and then click domains, and then you will click connect existing domain and then enter your hosting your domain name. And then after that, you will just have to log into your hosting your account, and then you will just have to enter your to go to your DNS zone editor and update a record to point to your Odoo server IP. Then you will add CNAME record if required for subdomains and save changes. And finally, you will just have to go back to your Odoo and click verify domain. And once you're verified, your domain will be live on hosting your domain. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.